Good morning, guys. I'm going to make a vanilla cake in the food processor. I keep being asked for this recipe, so I'm going to do a 2-layer vanilla cake, 7-inch Victoria sponge one, and it will also make you a tray bake, and it will also make you about 12 to 14 cupcakes. So first of all, you want 225 grams of perfect for cakes or stork, margarine, whichever baking spread you use. You want 225 grams. Does anybody else miss Big Brother on a Saturday night? I do. Why don't they play it on a Saturday night? Why don't they show it? It bugs me. It's always bugged me, that. And for anybody asking that's if I'm watching Big Brother, oh yes, I'm watching Big Brother, all right. Also, I've got my pesto apron on. Thank you, pesto. We went for a lovely meal at Pesto last week, but one, and as always, it was delicious. If you're ever in the Trafford Centre and you're looking for somewhere to eat and you love Italian, try Pesto. Price is so reasonable. Tapas, but not Spanish, Italian, small. It's honestly delicious, the food at Pesto. And I believe they've now started doing afternoon teas. And I've very kindly been invited to try one, which I'm really looking forward to. So you want 225 grams of sugar. You can use granulated sugar if you like. I'm using caster sugar. I always use caster sugar, but I believe you can use granulated sugar. All these are going into your food processor, all these ingredients. Now you want 210 grams of self-raising flour. What's everybody up to today? I'm going to watch my grandson Frankie in his football match, which is in Leyland today. Kick-off's at 1, so I'll be going there, and then I'll be bringing my mum round here for some Sunday dinner later. And if she's good, I'll give her a slice of this cake for her afters. Now you want 25 grams of corn flour. That's just 25 grams. A teaspoon of baking powder. You're going to pulse that all together until it becomes like a dough. That's when you've plugged it in. Please excuse me, guys. And there you have it, like a dough. Once you've done that, you're going to add your eggs, one at a time, 4 large eggs. Four large eggs and 3 tablespoons of whole milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're going to pulse that just till it's all combined. Stop mixing once it's all combined. Don't over mix. That's done. Take the blade out, then you're not messing about with it, trying to pour your mixture in your cake tins. Now split your mixture between 2 7-inch cake pans. Balancing on the edge there. And as you can see, it's just enough for 2 layers of vanilla sponge cake. Make sure you get it all out because you don't want to waste any of this recipe. It's delicious, this cake. And so easy. You can do it in a bowl, mixing everything in a bowl, in your mixing bowl. But I've got to say, it does turn out, I don't know why, it does turn out better in your food processor. And it's much easier if you've got a food processor, that is. And there we go. Here's my palette knife. I'll put that in on a 150 degrees fan oven, electric fan oven for 35 minutes, then I'll check it and I'll show you when it comes out.